to defend his body more. Big right uppercut there, right uppercut from Villanueva and a left hook followed. Another left hook and that looks like that's wobbled. Chatri, big right uppercuts here from Villanueva. Right hook is...
Matapos ang impresibong laban ni Arthur Villanueva o kilala sa bansag na King Arthur noong nakaraang taon sa bansang Pakistan via 9th round knockout kontra Jack Pang Santong.
Wow, look at that! Arthur Villanueva
Ay sa bansang Thailand naman dumayo itong si Haring Arthur. Naganap ang nasabing non-title fight noong June 29 lang at ginawa ito sa Spaceplus, Bangkok, Thailand. May veteranong record ang Pinoy dito na 34 wins, 4 losses, 1 draw, 20 via knockout at may edad na 34 habang 36 na ang kalaban pero tila bagito pa lang ito sa larangan ng suntukan. May record pa lang itong si Chatri Buakaude na 1 win, 0 loss, 1 via knockout. Kung record ang pagbabasihan ay talagang walang panama kay kabayan itong pambato ng Thailand. Paniguradong durog lang ang aabutin nito sa kamay ng dayong Pinoy na si alias King Arthur. Pero kung titignan mo naman ang katawan nitong Thai boxer ay manipis lang pero matibay. Dagdag mo pa ang burdadong katawan nito na tila hari ng mafia. Pero sa mismong bakbakan ay walang naitulong kahit konti ang mga tato ng kalaban. Ginawang walking punching bag lang ni kabayan itong kalabang taga Thailand. Ating panoorin ang ilan sa mga highlights ng labang King Arthur Villanueva kontra pambato ng Thailand na may burdadong katawan.
Kawang Lee made quick work of Siwakorn SBK Gym to the body there from Villanueva. Villanueva pushing forward, overhand right misses for the Filipino. Round one Chatri. Overhand right there from both these two. Just good 1-2 flurry there from Arthur. Right hand there from Arthur. Bit more accurate punches here from the Filipino. Potentially 6. Big right hands being fired straight away from both. Who's got Chatri on the ropes? It's like Chatri's trying to just line him up for a right hand. Just missing there and circling off. Huge digs going into the body and uppercuts to follow from Villanueva. Body rips here from Villanueva, unanswered by Chatri, who tries to fire back to defend his body more. Big right uppercut there, right uppercut from Villanueva and a left hook followed. Another left hook and that looks like that's wobbled. Chatri, big right uppercuts here from Villanueva. Chatri, low guard from the Thai fighter as well. Villanueva still in the attack, pushing forward. Left hook to the body as well from Villanueva. Good right, doing a tremendous amount of damage. Hooks and uppercuts, good, accurate right hand from Villanueva and left hook to the body, right hook as well. Right uppercut to the head from Villanueva. And another jab fires out too. Mark of round number 2. Chatri really and see how he can solve the puzzle of Villanueva, who's been very of his punching combinations. Big body punches here from Villanueva and landing the uppercuts well. Right hook misses there for Chatri and that's going to do it. Arthur Villanueva picking up where he left off in round number 2, straight into round 3. These huge body shots and uppercuts coming in left and right. Slight jab as well from Arthur Villanueva. Big right hand and then left hook to the body from Arthur Villanueva. Too much at all in this round. He's been very accurate again with the body shots, carrying that momentum that he had in round. Good right hook to the body again from Arthur Villanueva. Good pouring out the jab too. Just down a bit more now to try and get a knockdown. Oh, it's a slip there from Chatri. Surprised. 2 big rips to the body, not once but twice from Arthur, and going to the head as well with the uppercut. Arthur's definitely do in Thailand, whether it's boxing, Big digs again from Arthur to the body of... Good right hand connects though for Arthur, and again, twice in a row, followed by the uppercut. Overhand right just misses, and that's going to do it for round number 3. Big right hand again from Arthur. Oh, there you go, left. But at least he's trying. Good right hand connects again, twice in a row. Then right uppercut followed by Arthur. Well, either a left or right. He's really strong with the right uppercut so far, and he's finally been able to find his range with his long left hook. Good right hand and 2 digs. Trying to go to with the uppercuts as well, and that's it.
Dito sa round 4 ay tinigil na ng referee ang laban. Wala na kasing halos ginawa itong kalaban kundi ang magpasuntok na lang. Nirat-rat ni Kabayan sa bodega hanggang ang referee ay di na nakatiis pa. Panalo ang Pinoy via 4th round TKO.
Arthur!